Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
The trial commenced after framing of charges and hence effectively ended the period during of which any further investigative process could be carried out, including any orders passed by the learned special court either suo motu or on an application made by the party before the learned special court full stop. Thus, the order directing further investigation by the learned court under section 53 of the CRPC in the form of collecting DNA evidence to be submitted by a supplementary charge sheet is contrary to the procedure established under the CRPC full stop. It is also pertinent to refer to section 311 of the code which confers power to a court to summon material witnesses or examine persons present at any stage of any inquiry, trial or proceeding under the code full stop. Section 311 falls under chapter 14 of the code which lays down certain general provisions as to enquiries and trials full stop. Section 311 of the CRPC is a powerful section in the sense of conferring unlimited powers on a court to do certain acts with a profusion of the word any in the provision full stop stanza. The provision, however, pertains to clarification of any question of the court or clarification of any issue which the court may find to be essential for a just decision in the case full stop. An analogy may be drawn in this respect between sections 311 of the CRPC and section 165 of the Evidence Act 1872, which also gives similar powers to a judge to ask any question in any form or at any time about a relevant oblique irrelevant fact or order production of document without the parties being entitled to object to such question or order full stop. Despite such unlimited powers, both the provisions operate within the statutory framework and such unlimited powers being exercised dehorse the respective statutes full stop. More important, section 311 cannot be used for filling up lacunae through recall or examination of witnesses for the purpose of creating fresh evidence full stop stanza. The gaps in the conduct of investigation in the present case would be evident from the failure of the police to collect material which they had the option of doing during the course of investigation full stop. Section 53 comes in chapter 6 of the code and deals with arrest of persons full stop. Section 53 is an enabling provision which gives a roadmap to the police after arrest full stop. Section 53 provides for the registered medical practitioner forwarding the report to the investigating officer who shall thereafter forwarded it to the magistrate full stop. Hence, subsection 5 of section 53 makes it clear that the report has to be sent under section 173 within bracket 5 within bracket A full stop. Significantly, section 53 does not vest the court with any power for directing an examination under that section after the investigative phase, which ends with framing of the charge full stop stanza. In the facts of the present case, the petitioner was granted bail during the period of investigation full stop. The investigating officer, however, failed to take steps under section 53 during the period of investigation and even after the victim child was born on 20 January 2017 full stop.